Introducing the 2025 CUPRA Leon 2 ZO-TDI 150 horsepower DSG in stylish grey. This estate model is equipped with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth and efficient ride. Packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures safety and comfort. With luxurious trim, privacy glass, and roof rails, it's both stylish and secure. Plus, enjoy the convenience of wireless charging and power boot close. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this premium vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.